Designs by Clementine, where recycled materials and conventional materials are turned into high-end, unique, beautiful home decor. Thanks for tuning in. So guys, this is an antique project I'm working on. And what I did is I found a center for this, the center for this, and the center for this using this tip line. So I just went like this. 6.5 is the weight of this, and so 3.25 would be the center, and that's how I found the center for this. And that's the same process I went through to find a center for this one too. And so now I'm going to put this down here and measure it. What I'm going to do with this is that I'm going to take this line, I'm going to take it all the way across there and down here. So it's there and basically right there. Okay. Now I'm going to put this line there too. It's right there. Okay, a little bit here. Okay. Okay. And a little bit there. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's in there. And I want to put a hole in the middle there, so gotta go. So you gotta be very light. Don't press yet. It's not time to press. So guys, here I say I had to press more force on it to get it up, but it's in there, and I'm just going to try and get it out. Okay, so I have to press down But there is it. Took me a little bit of time to clean. Okay guys, I've already put the hole here, and I'm going to bore a hole in there. I've already changed my bit to drill. I'm going to drill a hole in there. Okay. I got these screws I'm going to use. Okay guys, I'm going to do the under part now. So. Okay, so guys, it's in there. Here is it. Okay guys, so here is this is a natural rustic design I'm going with. And so here is it. I like to mix my stain. I buy them. Sometimes I use natural material or sometimes I mix them. So this is dark, and what's the name for it? Oh my goodness, this is a dark stain. I've forgotten the name, but I mix it with water because I want like a water base, a little bit of water and oil base. So I mix it, and it's called, I think it's espresso. Yeah, I think it's espresso I bought. And I bought this thing from Lowe's. And this entire set is a rustic design set I'm working on. So I'll be staining this darker because I want that rustic look to it. Guys, this is a natural tree decor that I'm working on. It comes in a set as usual with all my decors. So this is part of this earthing design canvas painting I just did. And this console table, I might throw it in this set too. There's two other content that I'm working on that comes within this set. So this is an entire set, and this is for sale. Like I said, I sell my decor. So if you are interested and you in Edmonton, leave me a message and I will be sure to answer your message. But yes guys, watch out for the other two contents that is going to be included in this set. And as I said, this is an earthing design and it's beautiful, it's antique, and it's gorgeous.